Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you where to find the YouTube playlist duration extension and how to add the same video in your playlist. So, I'll record it now on my screen for you to see it clearly. I'll click the QuickTime player and then let's see on the file. Yeah. Let's look for the record area. Okay, so I'll transfer it now to the screen. Okay guys, we are now on the screen. Let's go to Google Chrome and then let's type the Google Chrome. There you can see the Google Chrome now. Let's scroll it and then let's click the Google Chrome website. And then up here, up on the website, there's features, extensions, and enterprise. Let's pick the extensions. Okay, so let's type playlist duration. Okay, we have typed now the playlist duration and then press enter. Here it is, the YouTube playlist duration. I had downloaded this many times. I tried to undownload today for the tutorial, but it's really hard to find because I've got lots of files. So if you are trying this, so just download it, and I'll just continue mine because I couldn't really find that file. So okay, now I will add now this to Chrome. Add YouTube playlist duration. Okay, add extension. YouTube playlist duration has been added to Chrome. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the window menu. So let's turn on the sync. You have to sign into Chrome. I'm going to type now my email. They have to be linked to each other, your Google and your YouTube. And then my password. Next. Turn on sync. Yes, I'm in. Click. Okay, I think we are already sync on. I'm going to type now the YouTube website. As you can see on the upper right, I have my profile pic on YouTube. Okay, so here it is now. This is one of my playlists, and my playlist duration is 59 minutes and 32 seconds. So now I'm going to make a new playlist, a 30 minutes playlist, so you can see how it works on my channel. We'll press the videos. Let's go to the videos. I mean, it's not press. And then let's choose a bit longer video. 27 minutes. This one, Little Big Planet. And then press save. Let's create a new playlist. I have already 30 minutes, so we're going to name it a new 30 minutes. Create. Okay, we'll add more video. Let's pick a view from our window. It's only 1 minute and 24 seconds. Okay, so okay, now let's check now our playlist and let's see the time duration. Playlist, there it is, new 30 minutes. View full playlist. Let's refresh the website because it didn't appear yet. Okay, you see now the playlist duration is 28 minutes and 30 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is I will add the same video. This one, a view from our window. And how to add this video, same video, you see on the still the upper side, add videos. Let's click that, and then let's open a new tab. Let's find that video, the view from the window. Let's find that video. Okay, let's click this one, and then let's copy paste the website, the link, and then let's pick the URL. Let's paste. Okay, you see now, add videos, click. Oh, there it is. And how many minutes? 29 minutes and 54 seconds. So we still need more videos. So let's look for more. Let's go to my channel or video rather. Let's look for the shortest video I have here. This one. Let's add this. Save. New 30 minutes, and then that's it. We're almost finished now, so let's look the duration time. It's already 30 minutes. View playlist. Refresh. Oh, look at that. It's now 30 minutes and 21 seconds. We made it. So, okay now guys, if you have only few videos and you want to cover the 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours, then you can just keep adding the same video over and over. And the YouTube playlist duration extension in Google Chrome is really helpful to know the length of your playlist. You do not need to calculate manually. It will make your life easier. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the video and I hope that you find it useful and make your playlist creation easier. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.